how to enjoy writing. So my name is Tyler Wagner. I'm the founder of AuthorsUnite.com. What I want to talk about in this video is how to enjoy writing, because most of you out there hate writing, and most of you out there think writing is extremely hard. You think it's the most difficult thing known to mankind. And what I'd like to tell you is that writing is not easy. You are somewhat accurate in your statements, but the real reason you don't enjoy writing, the process, the game of writing, is because you have all these attachments to it. You have all these thoughts that I just spoke about to you like earlier on in this video about how it's so hard. And you have all these negative attachments to the thought or to the action of writing. So what I'd like you to do is actually think about the end result of writing. So at the end of writing, if you're trying to write a book, the end result is a book. Now that's a positive, right? So can you actually start to realize that potentially, because the end result is positive, that you might be able to create an attachment around the thought of the journey that gets you to the end result and have that also be positive? Okay, the whole thing could be positive. The whole thing could be fun. Okay, so what I want you to start doing is not just think like, oh, once this is over, because I'll tell you this too, if you think like that, like, oh, once it's over, it'll be amazing, then your book's probably not going to become the best it could be, because the whole time you're writing it, you're not going to be enjoying it. It's going to be a terrible time. So what I want you to do is actually turn that time of writing your book into an enjoyment center, an enjoyment feeling. Okay, and the way to do that is start to attach positive thoughts to it and realize that the end result's amazing. So why does the journey have to be negative to a positive end result? It doesn't have to be. Okay? So start realizing that, hey, when you're in writer's flow, when you sit down and write, sure, the first 5 minutes is hard. Once you get into that flow, there's really no thoughts. You're only there. You're in the present moment. You're writing a book. That's cool. That's fun. That's awesome. Okay, so once you start to associate these positive things with the journey of writing a book, then you'll start to enjoy it, which will make it a lot easier and will make the end result of the book a lot better. So it's an all-around better way of doing things, okay? So start to fall in love with the journey, with the game, and not just the end result. I'll talk to you soon.